Ang Pilipino, hindi umaatras sa kahit anong laban. Lalo-lalo na pag-uusapan yung ipinaglalaban ng Diyos, pamilya, at bayan. Nakalagay nga sa wording ka, di ba? As iron sharpens iron, so does man sharpens another. So from that word nagbunga yung pakikipagtulungan to help you grow in honor, respect, and discipline and be a better martial artist as you grow as a person.
Martial arts, it's all about respect and humility. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito is yung attitude. Attitude is always better than skill. All of you now are potential champions. Kaya ang gagawin natin dito, we train to fight, so we don't have to fight.